Okay, good. John, in Vietnam, big data, supply chain, how's that been there? What's that journey like?
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them?
Sure. So I think the previous panelist gives really good inputs over in my event. So I just want to share the 3 key words. One is hindsight, foresight, and insight. So it depends which organization has how matured and how quality of the data they have. So if you say which one will be the number 1, number 2, and number 3, it typically depends on the data they have, the amount of data they have, the quality of the data they have, the structure of the data they have. So most of the organization, I will say, right now at the phase of hindsight, and I would say a part of it started to get more insight, but foresight, which actually avoiding a problem and really by seeing the future, I think that's not level yet too, because the key issues is about data structure and the quality of the data, and also amount of the data too. And a lot of hospital has a lot of data, but they don't store it in a proper way too. So I like to see, as a person, I say this one, we should move to more organization and hospital and healthcare provider more in foresight and insight phase rather than just an hindsight, because hindsight is just a hints. And many of the organizations leaders can misinterpret that as hints and take wrong decision, and which we should be doing it more, taking more right decision.